Welcome. In this video, you'll learn the most common English greetings and how to introduce yourself in simple and natural ways. Perfect for beginners and great for daily conversation. Let's get started. Greetings are one of the first things you learn in any language. They help you start conversations, make a good impression, and connect with people. You use them every day, so learning them is a great first step in speaking English with confidence. Here are the most common greetings in English. Hi and hello are great for any time and situation. Good morning is used before 12 p.m., good afternoon from 12 to 6 p.m., and good evening after 6 p.m. In casual situations, you can use friendly greetings like, hey, what's up, or how's it going? These are common with friends, family, or people you know well. They make your English sound relaxed and natural. When someone greets you, it's important to respond. You can say, I'm good, I'm fine, or not bad. If someone asks, how about you? Just reply with how you're feeling. Keep it simple and friendly. To introduce yourself, you can say, my name is, or I'm, followed by your name. You can also add where you're from, like I'm from Brazil, or I live in Italy. This is a simple and natural way to help people get to know you. You can introduce other people by saying, this is my friend, or he is my teacher. Use simple sentences like these to help others feel welcome and comfortable. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. How are you? I'm great, thanks. Let's look at a short conversation between two people meeting for the first time. Anna says, hi, I'm Anna. Tom replies, hello, Anna, I'm Tom. Anna says, nice to meet you. Tom answers, nice to meet you too. How are you? Anna finishes with, I'm fine, thanks. To speak English with confidence, remember to smile and relax. Don't worry about making mistakes. Speak slowly and practice every day. Watching videos and talking with others will help you improve quickly. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments your name, where you're from, and say hello in English. I'm excited to read your messages and help you practice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more English tips and lessons. See you next time.